Docile or docile refers to someone or something that's easy to manage, teach, or guide. Think of a well behaved pet dog that follows your commands without any fuss. Now, that's a docile animal. In human terms, a docile person is someone who readily accepts instruction and does what is asked without any resistance. If you're being cooperative, you're not fighting against what someone is trying to teach you, you're being docile. Synonyms for docile include the word obedient, submissive, and amenable, all words that describe someone who's easygoing and compliant. Let's watch a video to understand this meaning better.
Well, we'll drop that for the moment. Would you care to comment on Pierce Patchett?
Patchett? You think he had something to do with Vincennes getting iced?
Wendell, I like full and docile cooperation on every topic.
Okay. All right.
I like full and docile cooperation on every topic. Notice we're using the American pronunciation docile. In other usage, the docile horse followed its trainer around the ring without any trouble. He was a docile child, always attentive and obedient in class. The tourists found the docile dolphins easy to interact with during the aquatic show. The docile crowd quietly listened to the speaker's presentation. Docile usually comes into play as an adjective, but this word has other forms as well. First, we have docility, which is the noun. It's what you'll use when you want to describe someone's overall tendency to be easygoing and cooperative. And then there's docilely, the adverb. This one steps in when you want to describe how something is done in a docile manner. His natural docility was often mistaken for lack of opinion, but he simply preferred to avoid conflict. Notice docility is the noun. The puppy docilely followed its owner around the park. Notice docilely is the adverb. To summarize, docile refers to someone or something that's easy to manage, teach, or guide, often characterized by a willingness to accept instruction without resistance. It describes cooperative and compliant nature and can be synonymous with words like obedient, submissive, or amenable. The noun form docility refers to the quality of being docile, while docilely, the adverb, describes the actions done in a docile manner.